Hey everyone, welcome to another video. As many of you probably already know, I've been doing affiliate marketing for quite a while now and have achieved significant success. A common question I receive is whether affiliate marketing is still worth starting today. In this video, I'll address that query and cover important changes in the affiliate marketing landscape, especially for beginners. Firstly, let's briefly touch on what affiliate marketing entails. Essentially, it's a referral program where individuals partner with various companies, both big and small, to promote their products or services. These companies offer affiliate programs that are free to join. As an affiliate marketer, you receive a unique referral link, and when someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Now, let's delve into the two key factors that have evolved in the affiliate marketing realm. The first is the impact of artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT. Traditionally, creating niche affiliate marketing websites involved writing detailed articles, a time-consuming process. However, with the emergence of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, the creation of articles has become substantially more efficient. While AI-generated content may not be perfect, it can be refined with a little manual editing to stand out in the face of increasing AI-generated content. Building a strong backlink profile becomes crucial. Backlinks, which are references to your website from other sites, indicate authority to search engines like Google. Increasing the number of quality backlinks is essential to establish credibility and compete effectively. The second significant change involves the shift towards video content. Creating videos for platforms like YouTube provides a unique advantage over AI-generated text articles. Videos foster a human connection that AI cannot replicate, making them a powerful tool in the affiliate marketing arsenal. In light of these developments, I believe in order to properly start and expand your affiliate marketing journey, you have to learn. In order to earn, I recommend the Legendary Marketer. They provide in-depth insights, tips, and tricks, drawing from years of experience in the field. If you're interested, you can find the link in the description. In conclusion, affiliate marketing remains a lucrative business model, and with the right approach, you can achieve significant success. Whether you choose AI-generated content or opt for video marketing, understanding the evolving landscape is crucial. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments.